Welcome back, everyone. Today we are talking all about the subscription boxes by Archer and Olive and what comes inside. I'm going to show you one of the boxes. So if you want to know more, just keep on watching. And hi, everyone. I'm Naina. I'm also an ambassador team member for Archer and Olive, and I'll be showing you what's inside the box and few layouts I made using the box. And the box we're opening today is called Academia, Dark and Decadent. Now, a quick look at each and every item inside. There is a collage paper book, which I just showed you, and these are the 5 gel pens with 5 beautiful colors. Next is the Excel Pocket Library, and these are like the tiny notebooks, which I absolutely love. It has extra thick paper, and they come in this very beautiful box. The teal one has craft dot grid paper, and the burgundy vegan leather cover has gray dot grid paper, which is so beautiful. Next are these metal tab bookmarks, which I think are so adorable. Each one features a small themed icon, which is so cute. And in this box, we have a beautiful statement piece from the box, which I think is not only pretty, but also super useful for opening packages or letters or washi tape boxes. So I will definitely be using that. Next, we have the washi tapes. Again, they go perfectly with our theme. I love the one with the roses. Next, we have the sticker set. So we always have 2 sticker sheets. And finally, our main A5 notebook from the box. And this is probably one of my favorite journals because look at this. This is so gorgeous. Probably my favorite item in the box. Now about this notebook, it is again full cover printed design on vegan leather and gold embossed details, and it is 192 dot grid pages of the signature ultra thick 160 GSM paper. Now, if you're interested, please go ahead, go to archandolive.com, read more about the subscription boxes. Also, you can use my discount code TwitcherRights for 10% off. It's not applicable on the subscription boxes, but if you buy anything else, you can save some money. Now, how to make the most out of the boxes is to plan what you're going to use it for. So I wanted to share some ideas for the A5 journal. I decided to use it as my reflections journal. So I'll show you some layouts, what I made and how I used other things in the box to make those layouts. But before I do that, there are some other topics you can use your journal for example, a self-care journal or a reading journal, a workout journal, a memory keeping, a scrapbook, or a quotes journal, or any creative journal, or even a sketchbook. And in the end, it all depends on how you want to use it for and how it will be a useful tool for you. Now, I started brainstorming some ideas for the cover page of my reflections journal, so I'll be changing it up a little bit. I won't be using that moon, but just so that you know, it can be an idea as well that you will like. So in this layout overall, I just use some collage paper, washi tape, and some stickers. So I will use everything and you will see how beautifully it will come together. So I just gave this collage paper a little vintage look by just crumbling the paper and then unfolding it and then sticking it at the top and the bottom along with the washi tapes. And next, I also thought about writing the word reflections at the cover page, so I just quickly tested out all the gel pens and decided which color to use on the first page. Lastly, for the first cover page, I'm just using this sticker. You can use any sticker you like, and I'm just gonna write reflections on the top of it, and we are done with our first page. Now, depending upon the topic that you chose for your journal, you can just change the heading at your cover page. Now, next few pages are pretty simple. I'm just gonna stick some collage paper again, decorate the bottom and the top a little bit, and we are done with the second page as well. So I'm keeping it pretty simple because I want to write a few more things here, and I just chose to use a sticker at a corner, and that's it. And I will leave the rest of the page empty to write my thoughts. Following the same in the next 2 pages, just using washi tapes to create some sort of borders, adding stickers in the corner. And I chose to take the prompt cards and write 2 questions that I would like to ask myself or something that I want to reflect on. And these prompt cards are not included in the box. They come separately in a self-care box. But in general, you can just write the question that you want to reflect on if you're using it as a reflections journal. And lastly, I have to finish with some sort of lettering or some sort of inspiring quotes because I love them and I try to use them in all my journals. So here is the layout dedicated to something inspiring and motivating, which will keep me going. And you can find the printable for this quote in the description below, so make sure to check that out. And here's a quick flip through these pages were so simple and easy to make. They were all made in under 5 or 4 minutes, and you can do that too. I think it's pretty simple, and everything, when it's in a box, it's much easier to put everything together. And before I go today, I quickly want to also share some ideas for the pocket journals or the small journals that we have. And I can't say how much I love them because they're so easy to carry. Now they are tiny, super portable, and they're great for traveling. Now some ideas that I use it for is like brainstorming ideas or some important notes that I have to take on the go. It can be a great swatch notebook, a quotes journal, or even an everyday doodling. But I hope this video gave you some ideas on how to use the subscription box, or is it for you or not. We would love to know your thoughts and what items in the box were your favorite this time. Or if you already have a subscription, what is your favorite part about it? What do you love about it the most? So let us know. And thank you so much for watching today. I will catch you guys next time with another video. Thanks for watching.